Hi guys, welcome to my Lazy Panda Tech blog. Today I am going to discuss about that how you can integrate Docusign platform with your Cordova ionic application. And for that you need to follow few steps which I have put across there. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 and step 5. And that is a very basic one, but in that video I am going to demonstrate each and every step uh, greater way, so you can understand the how it can be integrated. So also I have put across few screenshot from the application, how which one I have been building. And yeah, that is the code snippet which you might need to call it from your ionic application to fetch the DocuSign plugin. And also the code base also being placed in that link. Please check, you can check this out as well. So first one, you need to have one Docusign account where it's a free account, and the person, maybe a third party can put across a document onto you and assign your email. So you will get that email and attached document, and mention that you need to sign it in some proper place. And you will also see that action required to here in the dashboard as well. And to come in manage section, here I already have attached two document. Let me add another document. In these two document I need to sign, as well as when you create any document and ask to someone signed by someone else. So for that you need to click on new, click on send an envelope, click on upload, and I already have one dummy PDF. I'm just adding that one. And here you need to select the person which you ask to sign, whom you are asking to sign. And I'm just writing, please sign the document and send it to me ASAP, something like that. Clicking on next, and signature you need to put just I'm adding here and send. As I am sending it to myself, it is prompting me to sign it now. I will sign it from Cordova application, so I just make it sign it later. And I have three action to perform. Now coming back to the home, there are three items it is showing. I need to do some action. So now come back to our Visual Studio Code. Here I already have created one application, put across one Cordova plugin that is a locally built, and it is not being present in GitHub yet. I will add the plugin in GitHub as well. So this plugin needs to be added in your application. So here in plugin sections I already have the Docusign plugin. Let me show you how you can add the plugin, local plugin. So ionic, first I am removing the plugin, ionic Cordova plugin rm Cordova hyphen Docusign hyphen plugin. I run that command, it will uninstall and remove the plugin from plugin folder. See that it is already being removed now, and yeah, it is now being removed. So how I can add the plugin? So to adding the plugin, never do it manually, always do by command line. Cordova, sorry, ionic Cordova plugin add dot slash Cordova hyphen and it is installed. Now once it is installed, you need to call the plugin. I have a one form, and that form will take email and password as an input, and then I am just checking whether it is a Cordova platform or not, and based on that Cordova plugin, Cordova platform, I am checking whether the Docusign plugin is already present or not, and then I am launching the Docusign SDK. So let me build that application, and then we'll launch it to the iPad as well. So here one more point, in tsconfig file, at the when you create one application, it is this ES2015 will be there, and if ES2015 is there, then you are going to face some difficulties about ES5 bit. It will never show any error on ionic serve command. It will run perfectly on browser, but when you are trying to build it in iOS or Android, then you might see this kind of error. Let me build it and show it to you. So, see, while creation of ES bundle, you are going to face one Babel issue. To resolve it, you just mention ES5 and then build it. Okay, iOS build is done now. So I'm going to platforms, iOS, and open the workspace. Let me clear this one and also clean the build area, build as well. And okay, so now you need to log in with Docusign Credential. Sorry for password. Okay, now click on login. So here you are going to see 3 items which you need to perform a sign. First, clicking on the first item, please sign the document and send it to me ASAP, that which I have created in from the portal. This one. So I'm going to sign it here, and I'm going to come back to home. I already have added one signature here, so once it is being launched, it will show the first dummy PDF with sign icon. Here I need to click it, and my signature, whatever I have created as a digitally and save it in the Docusign portal, that will automatically come here and added there as well. Once it is being added, I just click on finish, and it will say yes, sign in complete, and click on done. So it will automatically remove it, and it will ask how to download, whether I need to I want to download the file as a in my site or not. So it kept in the temporary folder for the time being, but I will show you how we can get it as well there from there as well. Okay, now I just click OK. Here only 2 item is there, and here if I do a refresh, one item has gone. It's only 2 now. Now let me do one more thing. I'm just going inside the edit in signature areas. Let me delete it and come back to home. I do not have any signature. It is asking to create your signature. Now I'm clicking the another document. Okay, so here the PDF, and here I need to sign. Now I do not have any signature in my present. Whenever I click on it, it will show that panel where you can draw your signature. I just add something and click on adapt. It will add here, and click on finish. Done. It also remove from the list, and it also show the download. So in that path it is being placed for the time being. For the time being, I have put it in the console log. Let me see it where. So, okay, anyway, let me go to the Finder, and where I have it is there. Application 0DT. This one, and 13. Here it is. This is the document, first one, and this is the second document. Okay, that is it. I'll going to publish this code as well in Git repository. Feel free to check this out. Thank you. If you like it, you just like the video, subscribe the channel. We'll see you next video.